Welcome to this guide on connecting Anker SOLIX Home Power Panel to the Anker app. Before using Home Power Panel, download the Anker app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also scan the QR code. After downloading, go to the Devices page and add Home Power Panel. Use Bluetooth to connect Home Power Panel to the app. The app will scan for nearby devices. You can also add Home Power Panel manually. Now, select Home Power Panel. Home Power Panel will scan for a Bluetooth connection. Follow the prompts to configure the network. Next, Home Power Panel will scan for a Wi-Fi connection. The panel should connect to your network. Next, the app will automatically check for the latest firmware version. Press Start to continue. Wait for the firmware check to finish. If the firmware for Anker SOLIX F3800 needs to be updated, you'll get a prompt. Press OK to continue. To pair Home Power Panel with F3800 portable power station, hold the Bluetooth button for 7 seconds. This will reset the portable power station. Now, F3800 portable power station will scan for a Bluetooth connection. When finished, you can change the name of F3800 portable power station. Follow the prompts to complete the F3800 portable power station network configuration. F3800 portable power station will now scan for a Wi-Fi connection. Once F3800 portable power station connects to Wi-Fi, the network configuration is finished. The app will now check if Home Power Panel and F3800 portable power station have the latest firmware. If you receive a prompt, please update the firmware. Once updated, your devices will restart automatically. The firmware update for Home Power Panel and F3800 portable power station is now finished. Follow app instructions to complete a system test. Make sure F3800 portable power station has less than 95% power before starting the test. If you see an error, follow instructions to troubleshoot. If the error relates to wire connections, contact your electrician for help. Once the test finishes, customize electricity settings to complete initialization. Create a name for your home system. Decide how much power to use and store. Select your Home Power Panel plan, then tap Next. Now you can view the entire system's energy data and control Home Power Panel.